Okay. I love to tap the hardware, only because we've talked about this whole luxury bag plastic hardware, or that's not even hardware, plasticware. And so I'm always tapping the bags, and when you see me do shop with me, you always see me tap. Okay.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey darlings, it's Dean. Welcome back to another video. I put a poll up in the community last week and asked if you guys would like me to review a Teddy Blake bag. They reached out to me, said that they would send me a bag, but listen, I'm not I'm not just out here collecting bags. I have enough. And so this is really about you. They've reached out to me a few times before, and I was like, it's not really necessary for me. But now that we are in our Coach Tory Burch era, and Teddy Blake bags are actually in that same price point, I was like, you know what, let me give it a gander. And so I took a look through the website, and there were a few bags that were really like, okay, hold on, yeah, I need that bag. So they sent me a bag, and as always, regardless of who's sending me what, if I don't like it, I don't like it. There were a few bags that I saw that I was like, no, that's not me, that's not me. But this particular bag in this particular texture, I don't want to say just colorway, but this particular texture I was feeling. So you guys asked for it, so here it is. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing. This is actually a really big box, which is giving me Field 40 vibes. And so when I checked out the site, I was looking for bags that were Field 40 like. I don't think that I need anything. So when we say need as bag lovers, I mean, so let's go ahead and take this out the box. I wasn't necessarily looking for anything that was Cassie 19-esque or crossbody-esque, because I feel like I have that cornered. However, this bag here, you know what, let me just take this out the box before I get gabbing. So the box is huge, so I had to change my angle a little bit. How do we open this? Is this opening like Chanel? Oh, it is. I opened it the opposite way. Okay, so here we have the box, which I'm a sucker for packaging. Okay, so Teddy Blake, I got, oh, okay, hold on, give you the full experience. Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Okay, all right, so I looked on the site. They had a lot of bags. I am not an Hermes-esque wearer, meaning I don't like bags, and I say that very loosely because I have the Saint Laurent Sac Plat, but I don't like dupe-esque bags, which they do have a lot of, which is not my style, which is why I have not done a review. But when I saw this bag was giving va-va-voom all its own. So I got the Lola, let me see, the Lola 15 inch. I love packaging, guys. I got the Lola 15 inch in Croc embossed. Now you guys know I love a Croc embossed bag. Ooh. All right, so this was the bag that was sent to me, the Lola Croc embossed 15 inch. I am pleasantly surprised, and I know it's not about the inches, but I thought that this would be bigger. I don't know why. In my brain, this was going to be on par with my Field Tote 40. Don't judge me, okay? I saw 12 inch, I saw 15 inch. I was like, oh, 15 inch will probably be the big one. I still love it nevertheless. I'm gonna use this as a travel bag. And what I'm gonna do is actually show you guys what it looks like against the Brandon Blackwood Kuei, because the shipping boxes were alike. So I was like, you know what, they're probably gonna be the same size. But it is my bad because in my brain, it was the same size as the Field 40. We'll show them, I'll show them hand by hand. But anyway, ooh, so let's play with it. Okay. I love to tap the hardware, only because we've talked about this whole luxury bag plastic hardware, or that's not even hardware, plasticware. And so I'm always tapping the bags, and when you see me do shop with me, you always see me tap. Okay. Oh, let's look inside. So it comes with a, ooh, you know I'm a touchy, smelly type of cow. Ooh, does it come with, okay, hold on, I can't see. Does it come with any? Ooh, hold on, I gotta feel this. Hold on. Let me show you this, and then we're gonna really feel it up. Ooh. So I love texture. You always with Croc Embossed, you're always looking at texture. I'm gonna pull I'm using my my gray faux Croc coach. So what am I doing? Am I showing y'all some top? So we'll look at texture versus texture. Ooh. I like the embossing. It looks very luxe in the shading, the shadowing. It has the Teddy Blake here in gold. It smells divine. Ooh. For those of you who are leather lovers, you know what I'm talking about. Ooh, the inside is suede. Oh, I like that. Does it have feet? No feet. Okay, no feet. I would have preferred if it had feet, gold feet on the bottom. But that is nice. Now, why do I like Croc Embossed? I think that when you're going leather, unless you're going, and again, I could be a leather snob, okay? But when you're going for leather, leather has to be done really well. I'm trying to see, let's compare. So for me, this is my Antigona, one of my Antigonas. When you buy leather, that leather, I think they had one, I think it was like Stampato, something like that. And to me, that would probably be close to kind of this grained leather. Unless you're going this route, leather's very hard. I don't want to say very hard to do, but a good leather is really hard to find. And if you've ever, not if, you're part of this channel. When I'm in the stores and I'm feeling the leather, I'm feeling the quality. Coach is really great. Dooney and Burke, oh my gosh, their leather is amazing. Because I'm not familiar with Teddy Blake, I didn't want them to send me just a regular leather bag because I need to be there to touch it and to feel it. So for me, my first order with this bag, or them sending me my first bag, I wanted to see how the faux Croc was, because if they did the faux Croc right, then maybe I would get into their leathers. But to be fair, if I'm going to do a full leather bag, I'm going to go Coach. I'm going to go Dooney. I don't know if I'm going to go Teddy Blake. They would have to send it to me, have me feel it up, and then I'd let them know. Again, if you're going for a leather bag, like, I just feel like faux Croc is the way for me. Faux Croc, faux embossed, faux lizard. If you're trying to up level your wardrobe and you're not sure about the leathers, I always go here first. Now, what I really wanted, I shouldn't say what I really wanted. The reason why I was interested in the size 15, which I thought was bigger, is because I wanted something to rival the Brahmin. Now, let's see, I have my, where's my Brahmin? I have my Brahmin. So I have my Brahmin alligator. And so when we went to the Brahmin outlet, remember they had the travel bags? The black travel bags and the cognac travel bags and the brown. And so I was like, ooh, if they got something to rival that, then I'll definitely rock that. But again, that was my bad for not judging the size appropriately. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I want to see this bag against my Brandon Blackwood Kuei. I have it on the bed. I pulled it down because again, when I saw the size of the box, I was like, similar boxes. So let's do that. And then I think I'm gonna style it with some travel looks. What do you guys think? I'm gonna do it. I know you'll love it. All right, so excuse me beforehand, because I have the mirror behind me, you're going to see my ring light, but it is what it is. So here is the Lola in the Croc, and we're going to see how it fares next to my other travel bag, my Brandon Blackwood Jumbo Kuei. Okay, so let's see it side by side. I hope it gets in the frame. Let's see. So yeah, I think they're the same size, 15. I think they're the same size. This is them side by side in terms of width. So yeah, this is, yeah, it's comparable. Now this is a lizard. And again, Brandon Blackwood had the smooth calf leather. I would say calf leather, the British coming out. But I didn't want that. I felt like it was more luxe in a skin, as with Teddy Blake. This bag, I think, retails at about $3.50. I've had it 3 years, going on 4 years. It has been all over the globe with me, and it wears very, very well. Now this one does have feet on the bottom, which I love, because I'm not very gentle with my bags. So in comparison to this bag, I want to say that this one is $100 more. So you can let me know based on quality. Now, one thing I will say, which is why I'm loving, I don't know if this is suede on the inside. This on the inside, the smell it's giving me, that leather smell. The inside of this is a lot more luxe. So take that, you know, whether you beat up your bags or not. I like the color on this more. I don't recall them having a cognac or anything like that, or a cocoa. The one thing about this bag that I did like, because and again, I'm only looking at the faux skins, they had this color. They had a red. Oh my gosh, they had a red. They had a dark brown. They had a navy blue. And I was like, listen, so how many bags are you gonna send me? Because I want the whole Croc line. I just want to see how this one fared. But side by side, they are pretty, I want to say this is a little bit longer. Side by side, this would probably be the comparable bag. As far as ease of opening and shutting, this one definitely is a lot easier than this one. That would be my only complaint with, well, I don't really have a complaint per se, but if you're talking about the ease of getting in and out of this bag, and for safety, absolutely, I get it, so that people can't just dig into your bag, but this is always here. So whenever you're opening the Kuei, you have to take that into consideration. All right, so the other bag I wanted to, let's put this somewhere, hold on. Okay, so in terms of the embossing, the other bag I wanted to compare to is my gray Croc embossed Coach 19, so that you can see, and this is why I went for the embossed, because I fit. And let me tell you something, don't let me fool you into thinking that I'm not wanting the gray leather in this, because it's on sale right now. I will go ahead and link this and the other ones that are on sale. I check them every day for you and for me, but they do have a gray one in leather that is in my cart. But I really love the embossed. I love the shadowing of it. To me, it just adds a little oomph to the bag. So in terms of quality of embossment, I don't know if that's a word, Teddy Blake got it. They're doing it really well. They're doing it really well. So I'm impressed. I love the shadowing. In the pictures, I thought that it would be just kind of matte and like just not shadowed or not having any depth is what I'm thinking about, depth. And so you can see with the Coach embossing, it has depth, and that's the only thing I was worried about. Because I'm not familiar with the brand, and this is my first bag, my first Teddy Blake bag, that it wouldn't have the depth, but it absolutely does. You can see the shading where it goes from light to dark. It is phenomenal. So yeah, this bag is going to go on rotation. So what I want to do now, what we're going to do is we're going to style this up with some of the travel looks that I have set up for the summer. I should be back in the air next month. I've been saving and plotting and planning, and our patio's done. We got a new AC. We've done all the grown-up stuff. Now it's time for me to go on and vacate, okay? It's time for me to go see some family, get on some flights. And so I want to try this on with some travel looks. I'll probably try it on with this romper. You know what? Let's do that. Let's do some travel looks. Okay, my darling, so here is the first airport look, which I hadn't planned on this being an airport look. Now listen, we know how rompers are. So this is a very quick airport look, or this is a staycation look. This is a 2-hour maximum look, because we're not trying to change out or go to the restroom and do all that in the romper at the airport. Okay, we're not doing that. That being said, one of the reasons why I asked them to send me this color is because I wanted it to go with, you know, I feel kind of silly saying this, but then you guys are my people, and we're both passport princesses, so you know we like to coordinate when we go to the airport. So this bag actually matches the luggage set that I got from Amazon last year, and so it has like a cognac-y toffee accent. And so listen, I was like, listen, we're matching, we're doing what we need to do. I know it's extra, but we're extra, so I had to bring you into the extra fold. And so this romper, you guys have seen it, I've worn it all day. This is the one from Old Navy that was in today's short. I will leave a link to this one and the other rompers that I've got, because you know, if I like something in one color and it suits me, I'm gonna get in all the colors. So this is the first airport look. Let's try on something else. Okay, my darling, so this is actually the outfit that I wore to Portugal last year. So listen, I'm telling you, I'm bringing y'all into my secrets. I don't like anything clingy on me as far as like pants, so no jeans. Leggings, yes, because they're airy and I can just sit and move around, but jeans and like tight pants, I can't. It has to be loose, it has to be airy, I have to be able to move around, or else you guys who have flown across the pond, 9 hour, 10 hour, 13 hours, you're going to Dubai, 24 hours of flying time, you want to be comfortable. And so here's another airport look. Now here's the thing, I feel like I need the red, I feel like I need the red one of this with a shiny black case. I feel like that's what would set this outfit off. Again, I'm not feeling any judgment from you guys because I know that you guys are like me and you're doing the whole airport lounge matchy situation. And again, once you land sometimes, because you don't want jet lag to hit you, you hit the ground running. So this is not only your airport outfit, but this is the outfit that you're going to be going around in for that day. And you want to match. You want to be able to just drop the suitcase off, get your bag together, and go. And so the red in this would be perfect for this particular look. So I'm gonna have to reach out to Teddy Blake and see if we could handle something. Anyway, this is the second look. This is from Amazon. Actually, this is two different pieces from Amazon. This actually goes to a black skirt from Amazon. It's a set, and this actually goes to a top of this same print. And so I got it last year, but I will see if there's anything similar and leave it in the description box below for you guys. All right, let's go to the next look. All right, my darlings, so you guys know that I don't like to be hot. So this is for those of you who are doing staycations, maybe you're going on a cruise, and of course, definitely if you are flying. Again, I don't like too much on me when I'm flying. One of the things I do have an ick about is my bare skin touching like airport seats, train seats. Like I don't know. Me and public stuff, like we don't go together. And so and so I do prefer to wear pants and shirts and just be a little covered up. But then there's one outfit I want to show you where I'm a little bit exposed. I don't know where I'm going to wear that yet, but it's definitely going to be rocked with this Teddy Blake bag and the suitcase. So here we have the top I thrifted at World Thrift. Remember, I was looking for kind of like a boyfriend husband shirt. That's what I call it, like when you steal your man's long sleeve shirt. And this one is linen. This is by Torrid. And then these pants I got from Walmart. This is Eloquy Elements. I got this a couple of years ago, but I'll definitely look for some similar wide leg pants for you guys. So a printed wide leg pant, a white shirt. You can do a black pant. These are linen as well. So just a very cool linen. Again, I do not like to be hot. I can do Chicago in February any day of the week over Florida summer. I do not like to be hot, but I just wanted to show you how this looked with my new bag and my Amazon suitcase. I think it looks kind of cute. All right, my darling, so this is the last look. This is the dress that I got from Target, the denim dress. Now, I have a little bit of a confession. I have been obsessed with watching cruising videos, and I'm obsessed with World Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. And so I don't know if, when, and how we're going to do this because I have a very healthy respect for the ocean. So, you know, the thought of cruising versus actually being on a ship in the middle of the ocean, I don't know how that's going to work. But this, to me, would be the perfect cruising outfit. Like you drop your bags off and you go to the buffet and all that kind of stuff. Like I'm obsessed with watching those videos. So that's what this outfit is inspired by. Let me know if you guys are cruisers, how do you like it? For me, I don't know. I have just always, I've never had a desire to do that. Anyway, my darlings, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope that you are inspired. Again, I enjoy this bag. I really like the colorway, and I like the Croc embossedness of it all, and I really think I want to get the red. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and let me know if you actually have a Teddy Blake bag as well. Have a great day, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.